What's cracking, ninjas? Guess who's back? Back again! It's been a long time since I spoke to y'all ninjas. But hey, like I said, your girl is always busy. And y'all should know I go to school and I work a lot. You know, I do lots of things, you know? Lots of things. But where am I going today though? Damn. I'm going to the beach. I'm going to the beach today with Lucy and Eli. It's just a short little beach walk. Nothing for long. So yeah, we'll see you guys at the beach. I actually missed vlogging. Not even vlogging, but I just missed like making a video. I missed making videos because it's been a long time since. But yeah, see you later. Alright guys, I'm outside Lucy's house. As usual, I'm always picking up Lucy. I'm just here waiting for her. Oh god. Guys, you can see, like, you could clearly see my makeup. Damn, you can see that shimmer, yo. Back again and see. Shit, let me turn this down. I'm about to call her back again and see where she is, cause we gotta go. Like, we're running on short time. Like, I gotta be back home around 6. Fortunately. Girl, she's not answering her phone. Juicy J, hurry the frick up. My nigga. But anyways, I'm gonna pick Lucy up and then we're gonna head to the beach. We don't know which beach we're going to, so when we get there, we just get there. Aight, feel me? Aight, good. Hi. What's up? You're not looking over here? What's up?
No.
Nothing?
No.
Nothing? You good? Hi, Eli?
Yes.
You good?
Yes.
Look at his face. He's so much trouble.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
You ready for the beach, Eli? Yes?
Come on, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Come
Let's
on.
go. I brought juice. Anyways, guys, we're out here at Woodbine Beach. Don't throw it on yourself, Eli. He's there throwing all the sand on himself. Look at that. He just threw it on me.
Eli, what you doing?
Boy, stop throwing this shit. It's not like he's putting it on his skin like sugar.
Don't worry, I have a drink.
It's like sugar for him to bathe. Anyways, so yeah, just now, I went to go get a parking ticket, and this lady and her family, they're like, oh, don't pay. They're like, I'll give you our ticket. We paid for it all day. And I'm like, wow, that's nice of you. And then she's like, yeah, it's an all-day ticket. She'll give it to me. And I went to take it. She's like, yeah, just paying it forward.
Pay you?
She's like, no, it's just paying it forward. I'm like, wow, people are actually that nice in Canada.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, guys, you remember Lucy? Lucy in the cut. Look at Lucy. And this one here is still making a mess and showering in the sand. Yo, the sand best not eat his hair away. I'm getting some vitamin D. Hey, stop. Don't do that.
Elijah.
Look, he's probably gonna go throw it on me. Stop.
I didn't see. I can't see with things.
Come here. Don't give me that look. I know what you're thinking.
I don't know.
Dance, Eli. Eli. Dance. Hey. Hey. Where the music goes? Come here. Dance. Hey. Did you want a free parking ticket?
Yeah.
It's for all day.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah,
Thank you
no
so much. I
problem.
really
No
appreciate it.
problem.
Thank you.
Yeah. This highway is always busy, always. And the thing is, they're not even like, there's nothing.
This McDonald's seriously chicken.
Sorry. There's nothing blocking them, but they just like driving slow. Look at this. See, there's no accident happening all the way up there, but they're just driving slow.
No, there's an accident.
There's an accident on the opposite side, but like on the opposite side, but is there one on this side? No. They're just watching at the accident on the opposite side, and that's why they're driving slow. Stupid people. Stupid people don't know how to drive. Shaman. Anyways, guys, I am back home again, but I'm dressed again. I got my clothes changed, just clean up my skin, you know, touch up my makeup a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm just gonna go get some smoothies from McDonald's, and that's about it. I don't got anything else to do for today, and then I'll end the vlog out when I get my smoothie. Okay. Hey. 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 You want to be in this vlog? So got quite a few videos to work on because I'm home from school, so I'm gonna work on some videos and things. I didn't get my smoothie, but I went and got a Smirnoff Ice. I have Smirnoff Ice, so I'm gonna drink that to cool me out, simmer me out. Anyways, thank you guys very much for watching this vlog, and I'm gonna end it right now. Peace out, and keep tuned to Life with Saf, because good things are gonna come in the future. I see me. I'm a little bit busy, but good things are to come. See me? All right. Peace out. Rah.